Welcome to Orbital Land Information and Management Solution that we've developed at Orbital Africa. Orbital Africa is the leading geospatial consulting company based in Nairobi with operations across Africa. We have presence in Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, South Sudan, Somalia, and a part of West Africa. We've done projects in many countries across Africa. So these solutions that I'm going to introduce, it's going to shed some light on development and deployment of land information and management system. So I want to log into the solution that we've developed using my credentials. So this is the dashboard, the surveyor module. We have a number of tools and patterns, charts, tables, and so on. So the aim of this video is just to demonstrate how to navigate, how to add, upload, or draw a parcel of land in this solution. Let me use this pattern to enlarge this map. These are some of the parcels that we've uploaded into our solutions. So when I click on any of this parcel, you get a pop-up with attribute information related to a specific parcel of land. So you can also toggle the base maps. You can use OpenStreet, you can use Google Satellite, you can use Google Streets. You can also use CartoDB base layers as we've indicated in this pattern. So the default is actually the OpenStreet. So that's how you can do the navigation on this map that we've developed. So if I go back, I want to demonstrate how to add a parcel of land to this system. So I use this tool, draw a polygon. If I click on it, let's say I have a parcel of land here, just click. So you see when I click, a vertex is drawn on the map. When I reach, I can double click to close the polygon. So once I do that, we have this pop-up with the attribute of that land parcel. The area is computed automatically using GIS, a robust JavaScript library for geospatial data analysis. So I can now enter the parcel number. Let's say the parcel number is this. This is just an example. It's a parcel number Nairobi. Land use, I can select residential. Building type, if the building in that parcel of land is a bungalow, I can just select a bungalow. The value of land, I can just give it an arbitrary figure. Let me give it a figure of 950,000 Kenya shillings. That's lovely, 9,500 USD. Land rate, I can give it also an arbitrary figure of 60,000. When was the land registered? Just an arbitrary date, 15th of April 2025. The utilities on site, I can just select, there's electricity. Although I'm going to modify this so that I can have a multiple inputs, like there is electricity, there is water, there is gas. So we're going to modify that. The description of this parcel of land, we can just give some arbitrary description, like the land is flat, and the lead soil. You can say just the soil type, just red soil. Easement, we can just, so for easement, we just indicate that there is a water pipe underground in that specific parcel of land. Once we do that, we click this button save. I think there is an error. Okay. Valuation, I think we don't need to use these symbols. We can just give the numbers without these characters, which the database has rejected because we didn't define the format of these figures. So we just give the numbers as we've just done, then you click save. So once done, you get this message that you've saved the parcel in the database. So this is the parcel. If you zoom in, you click on it, you get the pop-up with the details that you entered. So that's how you can capture the parcel of land into this land information system. As well, you can also upload, if you have a file, let's say a KML file, you have a JSON file, a JSON file, a CSV, you can also do that in this interface. So as you've seen, when I click this button, upload parcel, I get this pop-up. So you can also enter the parcel number. So if once you have the JSON, once you upload, the area is computed also automatically. If I do this, just to demonstrate, if I select this, you see the area has been computed automatically and the layer has been added into this map interface. So you also give these other details, the attributes, as we've seen in the previous illustration. You enter the valuation, the land rate, utilities, so on and so forth. Once you are done with that, you just click upload land parcel, and the parcel is saved in the database. So that's how you capture the parcels into the land information system. You can also add the owner, name of the owner, parcel number, phone number, and all these details. You can also upload his or her passport photo, address. Once you do that, you click save button. So the data is sent to the database and you can do queries. So you can also do filter. You can search the land parcel by the parcel number, the land use. You can also do filtering and do filters. You can also do conversions, shapefile to JSON. If you have some shapefiles that you want to convert to GeoJSON, you can do that using these tools that we've also developed. Also, I want to demonstrate how you can edit. Once you've uploaded the parcel and you want to edit, what do? Let's use this as an example. This parcel of land, click this view button. This is the maximum zoom, so you zoom out. So this interface also enables you to change the base layers. So you can edit the attribute of this parcel of land. If you click that, you see the attributes of this specific parcel of land. So you see the utilities we've indicated electricity. So if we edit, let's say edit, let's change this to water. Okay, let's say pipe to water, for instance. Then we click save. Here, of course, it need to put it into 2 decimal places. Click save. You see the notification that the parcel has been updated successfully. Yeah, so you see even the description here has changed for utilities. So that's how you do edits on the specific parcel of land that you want to modify. You can also do the partitions. You can change the colors. You can do the symbology and so on and so forth. So we have also these cards with some statistics related to the land information that we've developed. We have a total number of 1,600 parcels. These are the total number of parcels in our database. The total area of these parcels in hectares. We also have the stamp duty. That's the tax which has been paid for the transactions related to this land parcel. Of course, these are arbitrary figures, the stamp duty and the value of these parcels, just for demonstration purposes.